Hi everyone, I am here with the very important lectures of botany or biology based on MCQs. It will be very helpful for competitive exams. I am Mohammad Akram, lecturer botany, Government Sadiq Egerton College, Bahawalpur. So let's move towards our today's lecture. Bulbils is present in cycas. It is used for reproduction. Pteridophytes are lower vascular plants. These are vascular plants which have vascular bundles like xylem and phloem, but these are lower vascular plants. This question is very important. Standard herbarium sheet size is 42 centimeter by 29 centimeter. The cruciform leaves are found in Marsilia. Marsilia is also called water fern. It has cruciform leaves. The marine algae dominated in Rhodovician. Rhodovician is geological time scale. In this period, marine algae dominated. If the thalamus ripened, then it is called as pseudocarp. Apple is an example of pseudocarp in which thalamus is ripened. The endodermis is trabeculated in Selaginella. The inflorescence in people is hypanthodium. It is type of inflorescence found in people. The coal formed in Carboniferous period. The fruit in Labiatae family is nutlets. Heterospory leads towards seed formation. It is an evolution which is towards seed formation. Explosive fruits are seen in Ruellia tuberosa. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Family Ranunculaceae is also known as buttercup family. The genre Plantrum was written by Bentham and Hooker. Umbrella-like sex organs are found in Marchantia. Bryophytes are called the amphibian of plant worlds because they need water for their reproduction. The principal or dominant phase in bryophyte life is gametophyte, while in other plants, sporophyte is principal phase, while in bryophyte, gametophyte is principal or dominant phase of their life cycle. The inflorescence of sugarcane is panicle. The largest family of dicotyledons or dicots is family Astraceae. It is largest family of dicots. The flagella and pili of bacteria is made up of protein. Flagella is for movement and pili helps in genetic recombination, genetic transfer, also called as sex pili. It also helps in attachment of bacteria. These both structures are made up of proteins. The fruit of brinjal, Solanum melangina, is berry. The gram-positive bacteria are usually bacilli. Rod-shaped bacteria are called bacillus or bacilli. These are gram-positive bacteria. Aspergillus is a source of amylase. Amylase is obtained from Aspergillus. Serpula fungus cause dry rot in various plants. Clastothecium is type of fruiting body found in fungi. It is closed type. It has no opening. If the fruiting body in fungus has no opening, then it is clastothecium. There are various types of fruiting bodies like apothecium, clastothecium, etc. The leaf spot is caused by Alternaria. Alternaria is a fungus. It called leaf spot in plants. Flowers can be divided into two halves in more than one plane, are called actinomorphic, while the flowers which can be divided into two halves in only one plane, these are called zygomorphic. These are important terminologies, zygomorphic and actinomorphic, used for flowers. These are most important question. The artificial system of classification is Linnaeus system, while Bentham and Hooker system is natural system of classification. Bessey system of classification is phylogenetic system of classification. Takhtjan's system is modern system of classification. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more videos. Subscribe and like or dislike my videos. Give comments for betterment. Thank you.